Hey guys, welcome back to Boost Hunter Garage. Today we're going to do an unboxing video. I thought I'd give this a try and we'll do a little test with it. So this is where we're going to be testing. This is the Milwaukee M12 inflator or air compressor. And I'll start off by saying thank you very much to my friends Travis and Tara. They actually bought me this for my birthday this week, so I greatly appreciate it. Didn't have to do that for me. So I thought I'd do an unboxing video for you guys, so I've held back and not opened this yet, and we'll do a test here. So let's open this thing up and see what comes with it and put her to the test. All right, so here we go. Get this thing opened up. Not that there's gonna be tons to this, but I think this definitely be handy. Be able to take it places. Be nice once we do start actually going to the track. You know, we can use it to fill up the tires there, but this would be handy just to take in the truck too, with it being compact. Or even I had my tire flat on my car the other day, or kept going low out front of the house, and it's a pain to plug in my big air compressor and always drag the cord out there when you're just doing a little bit. So this is gonna be perfect for things like that. Yeah, I'll get this thing out of here. So flinging everything everywhere. So yeah, pretty simple. I don't think that's probably everything in the box there. Other than your classic instructions, don't need that. Let's get this thing opened up. So pretty simple. It's nice, keeps all the attachments that it does come with on the right on the back. And I think when I was reading on the thing, this is about the hose on it is 26 inches long. And then I got a battery here we'll throw in. This is just a 3 amp. I don't know if it was fully charged. I should have maybe prepared a little bit, but we'll slide that in there. Push power and see. And I think she's all ready to go. So on there, it's already showing my battery power. So we only got like half battery. So it might be not the greatest for the test, but that's where we're at right now. We will plug it in. And I believe the nice thing on here is you can actually just set your PSI that you want it to fill to. So that'll be a nice thing where you can just hook it on, set it to fill to whatever. So on our test, we're gonna drain my tire in my truck all the way and try fill it up to 50 PSI, and we'll see how long it takes. So we'll do a quick figure in here to see how you fully set it up. I'm assuming it's something, or that's probably how you start. Just like that, you can hear her running. So yeah, pretty simple setup. Obviously, I mean, I'm a huge fan of the Milwaukee tools. I have lots of other stuff. Do like the way their stuff works. So let's go put this to the test and see how quick I can fill up a 3/4 ton truck tire to 50 PSI from empty. Here we go, guys. Got everything set up. Don't mind the brake dust covered wheel we got going here. That's gonna get fixed later on. But got this set up. Set it to 50 PSI to fill to. This is what's in it. We got it down to 8. I didn't take it right to 0. We only got about a half full battery. And then we'll have my phones in here with the timer going. So we'll get this all set up. And let's see how long this takes to fill up. Hopefully this camera stays still. So we'll open this up. Got the timer ready there. So we will push start here. Start there. All right, so there we go, guys. Got our test done there. As you can see, it took about just over 20 minutes to fill that tire from 8 psi up to 50. And as you can see in the video there, I had to change the battery a few times. That was my fault. I didn't prepare enough and have batteries fully charged, so I was just feeding it 50% batteries. I think if I would have had this 6 amp battery actually fully charged and put it on there, it would have charged it all the way. Yes, it took a bit of time to fill it, but I mean, this is also not meant to exactly fill big tires like that all the way up. But just to prove it can do it, it got it done. It took its time, but got it full. Says this can pump up to 120 psi. So overall, I think this can be super handy. I like it. I've used other little tiny pumps like this before, and yeah, they're no speed demons either. So I do think this can be super handy, nice and compact, hands-free, because I've had other ones too in the truck that you have to like plug into your power outlet and stuff, so you've got a short range that you can move it if you were. You know, we've used them to fill quad tires and things like that. Overall, I'm super happy. I like the way you can set the pressure and it just fills that. So yeah, like you said, with it taking time, it doesn't matter. Then you can just plug it in. I walked away from it and couldn't be doing other things. So yeah, that's the Milwaukee compact inflator. Overall, I'm super happy for it. Thanks again, Travis and Tara. Give this video a like. Hopefully this helped you out if you're trying to make a decision to get one or not. Catch you on the next one.